What's up everyone and welcome to the club. In today's video we're drawing Erling Haaland from World Cup 2026. Let's begin today's lesson in the center of the page with the inside edge of the brow. Let's leave a gap in the center. Starting on the left side, we're going to curl this in and then up. Let's line this up on the right and come in the opposite direction. Now we're going to merge in towards the top of the eyelid. Starting on the left, going across and give it a slight curve coming down. Let's tuck the eyes in underneath. So on the left, we're going to step in, draw a circle. You want to tuck that up underneath on the inside and line that up on the right. Let's add 2 circles in the center of each eye for the pupils. And it'll fill the inside of the pupils in black. Now we're going to move in between the eyes and draw the bottom edge of the nose. Starting on the left, curve this down, across, and then up. Now I'm going to step up and draw a short curve in the opposite direction across the bridge of the nose. Let's move down and draw in the mouth. Starting on the left, curve this down, across, and then up. Now add a bracket on the ends. Now let's step down in the center, add a small curve for the lower lip. Now that we complete the face, let's move up to the side and draw the lower half of the head. From the outside left brow, we're going to step over. Let's draw a large half circle. We're going to come down, curve this in underneath the mouth, go across, and then bend that up towards the right, towards the same height. Now I want to draw the top half of the head. Starting back and left, start by bumping this out, and start to curve that up and in, around at the top of the head, come around the right side. Now we want to bend this back in towards the side. Let's draw in the hairline. On the top left side, add a curve, coming down and then up. And then on the ends, bend this out and then down. And we're going to curve this out and then down towards the side of the head. Let's add some texture inside the hair. Starting in the center, we're going to curve this out and then up towards the left. Go back to the center, go out and up towards the right. Let's add another curve, a little shorter on either side. We're going to go back to the side of the head and draw in the ears. Starting on the left side, going up, around, and then in. Let's add a fold across the top of the ears. Go back to the inside and add a hook. Let's add the ponytail over on the left side of the head. Starting from the left, going up. I'm just going to bend that in towards the ear. I'm going to step in and add a fold, going up and then out. Let's go underneath the ear. Coming down, out, and down towards the bottom. Now we're just going to add some thickness. Coming in, just taper up towards the top. Let's add a smaller strand here. Coming down and out, coming in, and then back up. Now with the head complete, let's move down and draw on the body. We'll start with the collar on the left side. We're going to come down and then up. Let's move over towards the side, curve the body, going out and then down toward the left hip. Move over towards the right, bend this out toward the same height, close off the hips with a curve. Let's go back to the center, step down, add a curve going up and then down. Now we're going to leave a gap in between the legs, step over toward the left side, bend the leg going out and down towards the left heel, move over towards the right, go out and then down towards the right heel. And we're going to curve the bottom of the feet. Start with the left side, bend this down and up towards the toe. Let's go back to the left side. We're going to curve the foot. We're going to go up. And I want to bend this down, aiming towards the heel. And we'll just curl it back up towards the inside of the leg. Now I want to go back up to the hips. We're going to bend the leg going out and then down on top of the feet. Now halfway across the leg, add the edge of the shorts. Coming down and up. Do the same thing on the right. Now I want to leave a small gap and draw another curve for the top edge of the socks. We're going to add a thick sole across the bottom. Let's take this curve, step up, trace it across on both feet. And then we're going to add a toe cap, starting from the top left, then it's in and then down, coming down halfway across the sole. Let's separate the laces. Halfway across the toe cap, bend this up and then in toward the top of the feet. Now I want to separate the laces with two curves inside this area. Now we want to go back up to the top and draw on the arms. We're going to start halfway between the chin and the hip, starting right here, then the arm going out and down towards the wrist, on both sides. From the wrist, draw a half circle for the thumb, and then close off the end with a bracket. Now we want to add 3 fingers on either side, starting from the bottom of the thumb, coming down and then up around that bracket. Step down, bend the second finger. Now the third finger, we're going to go all the way around, go up, and just tuck that in underneath the head. Let's do the exact same thing on the right. Now before we add in the sleeves, let's draw that pattern across the body. We're going to start from the top left side, draw a straight line coming down, angle this back out. Let's go all the way across towards the collar, come straight down to line this up, and stretch that all the way across. Now I'm drawing the bottom, stepping all the way down, come in to line this up, come all the way down towards the bottom, and then just line this up on the right side. We want to continue that stripe across the shoulders, starting here, then it's up and then out. Step down, draw that again. And leave a gap and draw the bottom of the sleeves. Let's add a trim along the inside. Let's finish off by adding the Nike symbol up here and across the shorts. And then we'll sign an art and add a splash of color. And that's pretty much it. That's our Erling Haaland from World Cup 2026. I hope you enjoyed today's lesson. If you would like your artwork to be featured in an upcoming artist spotlight, come join our sketch club on School. I want to thank you for joining me today, and I'll see you in the next one. If you enjoyed today's lesson, then you're really going to love what's happening inside the Sketch Club on School. And right now you can access all our courses and workshops for free for 7 full days just by visiting. I'll leave the link for you down in the description below, and I look forward to seeing you inside the club.